Today I'll be unboxing Dragon Ball Z Season 2 on Blu-ray. The front has Vegeta, Bulma, Gohan, Dodoria, Zarbon, Tien, Yamcha, and a Cyberman, and Guldo, Raikou, and Captain Ginyu. I'm using the English dub names because I haven't seen this in Japanese yet. I just got this. Funimation, Spine, Dragon Ball Z Season 2, Episodes 40 to 74. Blu-ray disc with Captain Ginyu. Some screenshots of Vegeta and Bulma, Captain Ginyu, Zarbon, and Raikou. Summary. A summary of the season. Extras include Inside Dragon Ball Z interview with Christopher R. Sabat, Inside Dragon Ball Z interview with Sean Schemmel. Sorry if I said his name wrong. Textless opening and closing songs. Justin Cook shows his headshot collection. US trailer and trailers. 35 episodes on 4 Blu-ray disc. High definition audio includes Dolby True HD English dialogue with Japanese music 5.1. US broadcast version 2.0 and original Japanese mono. Subtitles are in English. Special feature runtime is 51 minutes. It is 845 minutes. TV PG, Toei Animation, Funimation. The front Dragon Ball Z Season 2 Blu-ray disc. Then a little picture of how many there is in total. Kind of like the level sets. Picture of a Dragon Ball. Episode guide. This 4 has the extras on it. DVD 1 with episodes 40 to 49. DVD 2 with 50 to 59. And DVD 3 with 60 to 69. Blu-ray 4 episodes 40 to 74 and extras. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this one.